Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making rosemary water. If you didn't know, rosemary water is amazing for hair growth. It's been trending all over TikTok, and this will be my second batch. My first batch lasted me about a month and a half, and I'm almost out, so I figured we could make this second batch together. I just gave myself the butterfly cut to add some layers, and I love how it turned out, but I do want to continue growing my hair, so I plan on using this rosemary water for a while. It's essentially rosemary tea. I've seen this done several different ways. Rosemary owes its hair growing benefits to its anti-inflammatory properties. The plant is capable of promoting circulation, allowing hair follicles to receive an adequate amount of blood. I've read a few articles saying that you can add a few drops of rosemary oil to your water, but I didn't do that last time, and I'm not going to do it today because I need to buy some more rosemary oil. I love using rosemary oil to give myself a scalp massage either the day I'm washing my hair or the night before. Rosemary oil should always be mixed with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or avocado oil. Because rosemary oil is so strong, you don't want to put it directly on your skin or your scalp because it could burn you. So I always add a few drops of my rosemary oil to my carrier oil, and then I'll give myself a nice scalp massage for about 20 to 30 minutes. Scalp massages are very crucial for hair growth because when you're massaging your scalp, you're stimulating those hair follicles, which in turn is stimulating your hair growth. I picked up my rosemary from Trader Joe's. They're very inexpensive. These were about $1.50 each. So I'm gonna rinse these off first. I didn't rinse my rosemary last time because I didn't see anything saying that I needed to, but upon doing further research, I saw people saying that you should rinse your rosemary, so that's what I'm gonna do. It smells so good. I love the smell of rosemary. It's like an at-home spa treatment, and I apply this to my hair every morning. You can do it at night before bed as well. My routine has just been in the morning after I do my makeup. You're gonna wanna add either filtered or distilled water. I'm gonna add my rosemary and bring my water to a boil. So I'm on day 5 hair right now, and I am about to style it. I always style my hair by dampening it with some water, so I always just apply my rosemary water before that since I'm gonna wet it anyways. And I just got this new continuous spray bottle. It's a game changer. I'm most likely gonna order another one because this one's okay, but it just saturates your hair a lot more, whereas this one has a fine mist. So it wets your hair, but it doesn't soak it, which is nice. So I apply this to my scalp every day. Since I'm on day 5 hair today, I'm most likely just gonna style my hair in a bun. I just go through my whole head. This only takes about 5 minutes. And then I always make sure to give myself a nice little scalp massage. 2023 is all about self-care. I mean, every year it's about self-care, but we're just trying to do a better job of it, right? You want to keep this in the fridge so it stays nice and fresh, otherwise it might go bad. And then I'll make sections to get the back. Look at those roots. I haven't dyed my hair in about a year, which is crazy. And then I'll just spray the perimeter. And then I'll give myself a nice 5-minute scalp massage, just working it in. This spray is supposed to be good if you have eczema or psoriasis as well, and I have psoriasis and it's been flaring up on my scalp lately. I know, TMI, but I'm just being real, okay? So I feel like it has helped. When your scalp is dry and flaky, it's good to add a tiny bit of oil as well and massage that in. That usually works for me. Brushing it through is also good for stimulating your scalp, so I'll usually do this too. Feels really nice. And then I'll put my hair upside down and do the same thing and comb it upwards. You just don't want to be rough on your scalp. You want to be very gentle. There's a bunch of different brushes that you can use, but I love using this one as well. This is a Denman brush, and this one feels really nice on the scalp. I'll use this brush when I'm applying oils to my hair too. If you're trying to grow your hair out, I recommend using scrunchies. These are going to be a lot softer on your hair and cause less breakage. A scalp massager is nice to have in the shower when you're lathering your shampoo. You can give yourself a little scalp massage. The bristles look plastic, but they're actually silicone, so they don't hurt at all. Because my hair is longer, this doesn't work for me. It actually tingles my hair, but if you have shorter hair, I feel like this would be perfect for you. So that's everything I've been using to grow and maintain my hair. I'll have everything I mentioned listed down in the description box. Let me know if you have any other questions. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.